Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and this is the summary video of week 7 of my current Unity game project called Age of Boxes. And I worked a lot. If you follow me on Twitter, then you might have seen a lot of new stuff inside of that. And here's a summary video of that stuff. Okay, so at first I changed a lot of that UI elements, as you might have seen already in the Unity forums and read about that. So I changed a lot of that items or icons actually, and also the special icon. This is not in the Unity forums already, but this is how you can see this right now. I changed this a bit like that, so you might see that this one is more a meteor shower than the other, the old GUI image or the UI image. And also this is a new tower sell button, this is a new turret sell button, the new turret buy button, and this is a tower upgrade button. If you have any suggestions or any ideas how I could do it more user-friendly than it is already, then write me a comment down below or in the Unity forums. I will post, or I will show you the link to the forum itself under the video. And what I did also is I worked on the new medieval units, and the first unit is going to be a Swedish close range unit. This is a small rendering of that. And I also worked on a cavalry guy, which is going to be the tank unit later on that horse with a pole in the hand. And I need to do a lot of more work on that since the textures are not pretty good, of course. Basically the horse needs a bit more resolution, of course, and also I might change a lot of that stuff as a saddle and so on and so forth. And I also worked on my logo. If you haven't seen that, let me just give me a second. I'm going to check where it is. There we go. This is my new logo. In the last video I already worked on that logo and I didn't know how could I make this one a bit smoother, or I already ran out of ideas, but this one is kind of nice, I think, and maybe I'm going to take this one later on. I got a suggestion to do something with the B instead, to make it bigger or make it more shiny or whatever, but the problem is the symmetry of the logo. So again, here, if you have any suggestion how I could make that logo a bit better, then also write me a comment below under the video. And that's it. And I also figured how I could at the same time record the microphone and the gaming stuff inside. So let's get into that game once again and check what it's doing. Again, everything basically is the same, everything works the same as before, just the UI elements over there again changed a bit here and there. The small pictograms I already added in the last video, and as you can see, everything is still working the same. The sounds are also doing what they have to do. The only thing is I don't have added more sounds like for that meteor shower, so that it might rumble a bit, or I don't know, or do some effects. Again, this is a buy turrets menu, this is a tower menu, and I don't have enough money. Okay, then I need to kill stuff again to get more money, of course. And again, doing some meteor shower to get a bit more money, and they can see everything is great. Also, since I changed the EXP system to get a bit more EXP out of that unit to have a more fast-paced gameplay, I will increase the first EXP limit to 4K as the AI already has, and I have still my cheating EXP over there, and I can build my new units, which I was showing in the last video, of course, too. So the mummy, that yeah, I don't know how I should call it, priest or whatever that is, and that melee guy over there. So as you can see, everything works the same. The AI still does do what she has to do. Sometimes I still have a spawning bug in there, but I go into that later on and try to fix it, of course. But basically everything works like a charm, and as it has done before. Okay, that's it for my summary video. I know I didn't do much coding stuff, but yeah, the next biggest parts are basically creating new units, as I have already started with. Creating new ages, of course. I already did a lot of concept work in that in the last week, and I'm almost done with all the concepts. Maybe I'm going to show them on Twitter. I'm not sure about this one yet, since I need to scan them somehow. But basically the most of the concepts are done, except for the future age, of course. There needs to be a lot of work too, but the hippie age, I'm not sure how I want to call this, maybe flower power age, is almost done in concept, and the new age, of course, is done too. Yeah, and so on and so forth. Yeah. You might want to check my Twitter account out, or my Twitter stuff out, where basically I send or post all that stuff I'm doing. Maybe some stuff, or some, how shall I say, some informations you will get earlier than you get them in Unity, on the Unity forum, or here in YouTube. So you might want to check this out. And my Twitter account is, how shall I best? I'm going to blend this one in and at that position somewhere, and or after the video is ended. So I'm not sure. I'm going to tell that, or show you, or blend this one in the cutting stuff. Okay, so this is everything for the last week. Yeah, basically again a lot of concept work and stuff going on, a lot of UI elements changing and logo working and so on and so forth. So everything I was showing you. So if you have any suggestions, any questions about my current project, however, just feel free, and yeah, write me a comment, a private message, or on Twitter, or wherever you like. Again, I'm going to blend this one in. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, of course, if you haven't already. And if you want to, donate something, if you like my stuff so hard, then you have the ability to do so. If you go to my channel page, there is a small PayPal button, which is called Donate to xOctoMan, and yeah, click on that one and you are able to donate some money, even if it's $1 or $2. I'm thankful for that. So yeah, see you in the next summary video, of course. Bye bye.